Are you looking for a mini excavator that's powerful, compact, and budget-friendly? Today, we're counting down the top 5 best mini excavators. Cheap, reliable, and perfect for farms, construction, or home projects. Stick around because by the end, you'll know exactly which one is right for you. Let's dive in. Item number 5. Introducing the Mini Excavator 2-ton, a multifunctional crawler tractor designed for home use and light construction. Powered by a reliable Kubota engine with 20 horsepower, 30 kilowatt, it delivers efficient performance for digging and landscaping. This semi-automatic machine comes with Euro 5 CE EPA certification, factory direct sales, and 1-year warranty on core components. Fully customizable with free color options, it offers crawler transport for easy mobility. Each unit undergoes inspection and machinery testing, ensuring top quality and reliability for your projects. Item number 4. Introducing the Jinnerthang 1.5 to 1.8 ton mini excavator, designed for farms and small-scale construction projects. This multifunctional crawler tractor features a powerful 12 HP, 7 kilowatt engine with EPA, Euro 5, CE, and ISO certifications. Built with robust core components and backed by a 1.5-year warranty, it ensures long-term reliability. With extensive customization options including color, accessories, and logo, plus OEM/ODM support, this excavator offers professional-grade performance, low emissions, and versatile functionality, making it the perfect solution for your toughest tasks. Item number 3. Experience unmatched efficiency with the 2025 Kubota-powered mini excavator. Designed for farm and small-scale projects, it delivers 25 HP power with 18.1 10.2 kilowatt output. Featuring a digging depth of 2,000 millimeters and height up to 2,900 millimeters, it ensures superior performance. The compact 2250 by 1100 by 2200 millimeter design and 0.04 cbm bucket capacity boost versatility. With a walking speed of 3 kilometers per hour, CE, EPA, Euro V certifications, and a 1.5-year warranty, this durable machine guarantees long service life and reliable operation in all terrains. Item number 2. Experience power and versatility with the Magward Mini Excavator, designed for farms and small-scale projects. Equipped with a reliable Yanmar 3TNV80F engine delivering 20 horsepower, it ensures strong performance and long-lasting durability. This 2.5-ton crawler machine features an operating weight of 2,500 kilograms, travel speed up to 3.8 kilometers per hour, and customizable design options including color, logo, and accessories. Certified with CE, EPA, and ISO, it's the perfect multifunctional excavator with flexible sea freight delivery and OEM/ODM support. Item number 1. Discover the power and efficiency of the Vogt Mini Excavator, designed for versatile farm use. Equipped with a reliable Kipor engine delivering 15 HP and 28 kilowatts of power, this 1.8-ton crawler machine handles tough tasks with ease. Featuring a 30-degree gradability, customizable color options, and CE certification, it ensures both safety and performance. With a 1-year warranty, video inspections, and flexible sea freight delivery, this multifunctional excavator is built to boost productivity on any farm project. Which of these mini excavators is your favorite? Don't forget to comment below and let us know. If you want to buy one, check the links in the description. Purchasing through them helps support our channel. And hey, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.